Hi everybody. So it's Mary. I know the video thing hasn't really been happening lately. The main reason I can describe for why that is I've basically just really been going through it. I got COVID. That sucked. My last video, I think actually up on this channel, I did record when I had COVID because I was still trying to be productive despite not being able to do anything. And now I'm going through some other big life changes, and basically I have this office that is now just mine, and I want to turn into a just my space. So today's video is going to be the office transformation. Now let me give you a layout. So if you've seen my streams, you've probably already seen the manga wall here with my little shelf, and yes, Muska's already trying to destroy it again. The Bob Ross gallery, which I still need to print out ones from the last stream we did, which was forever ago. So right now, this is my everything desk, but I want to have another desk set up, and this is going to sound extreme of me, but basically I want to have it possible to have both of my computers running at the same time, so when I'm working I can have videos rendering on my other computer and vice versa. So it's not going to be like a fancy full gaming setup or anything. I'm basically just going to get a cheap monitor that I can plug my computer into. That's the plan. I'm gonna pick up all of the stuff in here, get it all out. I'm gonna vacuum in here. I'm gonna try and clean the walls. I might take this down. I don't know if I vibe with this anymore. I don't know how I feel about it. And yeah, I need to figure out where to put my green screen. It might go against the wall here permanently. I don't know, it's all hard. But yeah, as soon as I'm off work today, this is gonna be the project. So my little vacuum is running in here, so I don't know who's Muska. I realize this is like the worst time to record, but I was able to get everything out of here, which is a good vibe. You don't want to see what the rest of my apartment looks like right now, but we're gonna start bringing stuff in. First thing is a chair that's gonna go there. I'll show you it currently. Well, pretend you can't see anything. Such a mess in here. There's the chair. You're not allowed to look in my bedroom. It's all so bad, everybody. All right, chair and Muska now in. Yeah, this chair is it is what it is, but there's so much room in this room. Might as well have a big fucking chair in it. It's a throne for the boy. There's gonna be so many chairs in this room. Y'all can't judge me. He wants to catch these on my shirt. And I'm sure he'll be happy because, of course. Of course. So the next step is getting my desk in here, and I'm thinking I'll have to move all of this over. I think I'm gonna take this shelf and put it here, and then the TV from it is gonna go on the desk here. We'll see how it all works out. All right, so I'm feeling a little conflicted just because I think it looks weird with the desk right there, but I don't know if it'd be any better if I put it against the back of the wall. And with the TV at the desk, I can sit there and play games on the TV and be really cozy and hopefully still stream with the TV if I ever want to play Switch games. But I think it does look really weird. So, this is where we are now. Little man is helping. So desk, TV is on desk. I'm gonna move this shelf here still, and I have my little helper in here. Having this chair in here is gonna be just such a game changer. I don't know, it's just so comfy in sunlight, dramatic. It's just really nice to have like a comfy little chair to sit in. I'm excited to like sit here and drink my coffee in the morning and get to stare wistfully out the window and think about my life and what brought me here today. All right, we are making some good progress here. I think that just still looks so weird, but I got my flowers up. Those are made actually by my old roommate. Super cute. I'll try and link her Etsy. But yeah, I have my corner of lights. Don't ask why I have so many lights. And yeah, this is how it's kind of going right now. Fire plus cat is probably bad, but I've been keeping an eye on him. And yeah, it's kind of cozy. I need to figure out final bits and bobs, I guess, but you know, it's feeling like a room I'm gonna do a lot of work in for 3 more months. She forgot to finish the vlog. Hi, welcome to Mary's making content. This chair has been a game changer. I've loved it. Okay, so if you haven't got to see up close, down there some Nendoroids I have that I need to figure out where they're actually gonna go. Some of my Tokyo Mew Mew collection, and of course the manga wall, and the Miku chair just kind of hangs out. Kept this for now, and rainbow light, of course. Here's the bookshelf, which at the top I've been absolutely loving this candle. That is like my favorite smells. And then just kind of have things, you know, nicely styled. Ooh, that all fell. That wasn't like that before. I've been sitting in there, so it doesn't look amazing. With the Bob Ross gallery, and it's nighttime already, but Muska does like sleeping on that little bed there. He currently is taking over my chair. And the box is down there because I did get the monitor, but I'm having some like fun stuff going on with my work computer versus my fun computer, so the other monitor is there. Yeah, cable management still isn't a thing, but it is kind of challenging just because I do have a standing lowering desk for my work desk. And I have my dinner plate there, which is kind of embarrassing, so you can ignore that. And I have my lighting corner right there, basically. Yeah, I had my kind of first stream again in a bit. I've been really inconsistent lately, and I'm sure on YouTube you can tell I haven't been posting. It's just been really hard. It's been really hard to get in the mindset of doing stuff like that. I think COVID's hit me really hard, and getting COVID really sucked. And then also some other life stuff, and just really worried about my family and myself, and we're gonna get through it. We're gonna be okay, but it's hard in the moment. So I had a really short stream tonight, and I'm gonna slowly kind of get into the swing of things with that again, hopefully playing some more Nancy Drew, because I really love Nancy Drew. And I've got kind of everything set up to start filming app videos again. And I don't think I'm going to keep using the VTuber model just because I really struggled with, I think, making that look in a way that I liked. But yeah, so thank you all for kind of sticking with me, and I hope that you all have a great day. This is also basically one of the few videos I've ever used this Mary at home intro for, so you know, it's getting used. I made that when I first moved in this apartment. Now I'm going to be moving out again in like 3 months. It's funny. Muska is the most handsome boy in the world, and don't you forget it.